Hi, today in front of me NAVITEL tab, and I'll show you how to hide developer options on this device. So first open the settings application and then scroll down to the system section. Here click to developer options section. So if developer mode is activated, you'll see the developer options section, and now just to hide them, click once on the swatcher. And so here all of the options, they are blocked. So let's go back to the system, to the settings, and back to the system again. So we can see now that the developer options section is gone successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.